Welcome to the TOEFL Listening section. In this section, you will listen to an academic lecture and then answer questions about what you heard. You may take notes while you listen. You will have time to review your notes before answering the questions. Listen to part of a lecture in a university class. You will hear the lecture only once, so listen carefully. After the lecture, you will answer some questions about what you heard. Some questions ask about the main ideas and supporting details. Other questions ask you to make inferences or connections between ideas. Answer each question based on what is stated or implied in the lecture.
Good morning. Today we will examine supply chain management with a focus on logistics and distribution strategies in global commerce. We will begin by defining the scope of supply chain management as the coordination of sourcing, production, storage, and distribution to deliver value to customers while managing costs and risks. Logistics refers to the movement and storage of goods. Distribution strategies determine how goods travel from factories to end customers. In global commerce, these decisions affect lead time, inventory, and total landed cost. A classic example is Toyota and its just-in-time approach that reduces inventory by synchronizing production with supplier deliveries. That strategy lowers holding costs, but requires reliable suppliers and short lead times. Contrast that with the fast fashion company Zara. Zara uses a regional distribution network and frequent small shipments to respond quickly to demand. That strategy prioritizes responsiveness over minimum inventory cost. Large online retailers use a hub-and-spoke model. They centralize inventory in large fulfillment centers, and then move goods through regional warehouses for last-mile delivery. This reduces unit costs but can increase delivery time in distant markets. Distribution network design requires trade-offs. Centralize to gain scale and lower inventory redundancy, or decentralize to improve responsiveness and cut last-mile distance. The correct choice depends on product characteristics and customer expectations. We also face the bullwhip effect. Small shifts in consumer demand can amplify upstream into large swings in orders. This increases safety stock and costs. Forecast accuracy and information sharing can mitigate that problem. Technology supports visibility and coordination. Transportation management systems and warehouse management systems improve routing and throughput. RFID and IoT sensors provide near real-time inventory location data that reduces uncertainty. In the wake of recent disruptions such as port congestion and pandemic-related factory shutdowns, many firms are pursuing risk mitigation. Strategies include dual sourcing, nearshoring, and maintaining safety stock for critical components. Third-party logistics providers offer specialized capabilities such as cross-docking, contract warehousing, and integrated transportation. Outsourcing can bring expertise and scale, but also raises dependency on external partners. Cross-docking is a practice where incoming goods are transferred directly to outbound vehicles with minimal storage. I mention cross-docking because it reduces inventory holding and speeds throughput in high-volume operations. Sustainability is increasingly relevant. Companies optimize routes to reduce emissions, consolidate shipments, and select greener modes of transport. These choices can align with brand strategy, but may change cost structures. Finally, aligning distribution strategy to the product lifecycle is essential. Innovative or time-sensitive products need responsive networks. Mature products with stable demand can benefit from cost-focused, centralized distribution. To summarize, effective supply chain management in global commerce balances cost, speed, and risk. Use the right network design, apply technology for visibility, and adopt contingency strategies to manage uncertainty. Remember that visibility reduces the bullwhip effect because it provides real-time demand and inventory information.
Listen again to part of the lecture. Then, answer the question.
Visibility reduces the bullwhip effect because it provides real-time demand and inventory information.
This concludes the listening section. For more TOEFL practice tests and study materials, visit Spinta.org.